Assalamualaikum class 9. Hope you all will be fine. We have done unit number 9 and today I am going to start your grammar work. All of your grammatical activities, tenses, letter writing, paragraph writing you have done. I just want to revise in the class. Today date is 23rd 6 2020. It's my 6th lecture and day is Tuesday. I select letter writing and tenses. See, you will write examination hall, comma, city A, colon, A dot B dot C and then full stop. 23rd June 2020. After June you put comma and then full stop. Dear friend, whenever you write here any words such as father, mother, father, dear mother, you will write it in capital letter. See, D is capital, F is capital. So after that you will put comma. You will leave one finger gap and then you start your first paragraph. In first paragraph you always greet. You say assalamu alaikum, or you can write I am fine, hopefully you all will be fine, and then you will write the topic of the letter or theme of the letter. Why are you writing the letter? Suppose if you are going to write a letter to say congratulations to your sister who is promoting to another class, so you will say assalamu alaikum, hope you all will be fine. I heard that my sister has promoted in class 8. I want to say her congratulations. That will be your first paragraph, and then you will write the further detail of the letter. At the last you will write pay my regards to all of your family member, or say salam to you all, I missed you all and I hope you will write me letter soon. That kind of sentence you will write in at the last. Then you will write yours affectionately, comma, x dot y dot z. XYZ will be in capital letter. Yours, you will not put comma, just write yours. That is your letter format. You know how to write it. Just see your home task. In your home task I have given you a letter. Write a letter to your brother advising him to take steps to improve his health. So you are going to write a letter to your brother. You will tell him that how he can improve his health and you will advise him to improve his health. That is your letter. I hope you will do it. Next question, I have given you a revised rules of present indefinite and present continuous tense and rule, and solve exercise on page number 162. It's on your grammar book. I have given you an exercise from your grammar book, and you know the rules of present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. Just see and revise the rule from your notebook. I want to show you. See, it's on page number 162. It's from your grammar book, English grammar book. Tenses are given and then they have given us an exercise. This one is the exercise. 15 sentences are given. I just solve 5 sentences. Next 10 sentences you will try to solve to your own. See, the present tense. The present tense has 4 forms. You know, present tense has 4 forms. Present indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. See the definition of present indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense is used to express general statements and to describe acts that are habitual or usual. So present indefinite tense is the general statement which is shows the action which is habitual or which is usual. The action is performed in present time. That is called present indefinite tense. See the example. First example, it rains in winter. I write S when rains. If I have third person singular, you know first person, second person and third person. First person is I and we, second person is you and third person is he, she, it. If we have third person singular he, she, it, we write S or ES with the form of verb. Or if we have singular noun, we write S or ES. If we make negative, it will be it does not rain. We don't put S, we write does not as helping verb. And when we make question, we write does it rain in winter. You know the rule, how we make negative sentence and interrogative sentence. See the sentence number 2. They work hard all day. All day, I have underlined this one. The sun sets in the west. The sun is singular noun, that's why I write sets. The sun sets in the west. I do not take my meal at night. Do you go to school? Every day. So every day, at night, all day. All of these words shows the expression of present simple tense or present indefinite tense. See the rule of present continuous tense. The present continuous tense describes an action that is taking part at the time of speaking. So whenever we are going to speak, the action which is not going to complete, it is ongoing action. कंप्लीट नहीं होगा, जो भी काम होगा, जो भी एक्शन होगा, वो भी जारी होगा, वो कंप्लीट नहीं होगा, उसको हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस कहेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, इट इज़ रेनिंग. सो we write is mr with singular. It is singular, we write is, and ing form. It is raining, because the action is not going to be complete. It is going to be speak, it is going to be done in future. It is raining. The boys are doing their home task. The girls are playing netball. Are they sitting idle? So with plural such as boys, girls, and they, we write are, and with singular we write is, and with I we write am, I am, and we write ing form. Present participle or fourth form of verb in present continuous tense. See the exercise. Put the verb in the correct form of the present tense, simple or continuous. See first sentence. She loves her cat very much. You will write loves, because she is third person singular. She loves her cat very much. He goes to school every day. See, every day, very much, it shows the expression of present indefinite tense. So you write he goes to school every day. It rains at present. At present भी हमें शो कर रहा है कि ये present indefinite tense है. They drink tea every morning. See, every morning. Present, every day, very much shows present indefinite tense. So you will just write they drink. Don't put s or es. Good students always work hard. Always again shows us present indefinite tense. You will just write work hard. I hope you have understand. Revise the rule and try to complete the exercise till the sentence number 15. I hope you have understand my lecture and you will do it to your own. Love is class.